Come on, get up, bro. He done knocked on County Red off, man. But y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments, man. Bro, come on, man.
Hey man, I do it and stepped back in that puller. Oh yeah.
He said he too well step back in that puddle. It was over with.
It was over with. That young bull, he ain't have enough for that young bull. As soon as I see him release them little flurry of punches that he had on him,
That's why I say, but y'all got me best up, bro. I'm getting the shade, bro. Listen, bro. I ain't listen. Boy, y'all got me. That's all. Listen, I'm getting the shade. Y'all got me messed up, bro. Nah, y'all got me messed up, bro. These youngsters ain't finna spin on me like that. No, man.
braids in the hood. I'm like, okay, as soon as he got down, got the pity patting, I said, yeah, over it. Oh,
he said he said pity pat.
it. Got that all right, man. He post some EJ in my hair with him.